Continuing with the class discussions today about the task 1, here is your YouTube link to the task. It's a task 1 about, it's a bar chart. We have already discussed this in the class. It's about car journeys into a city center made by two kind of people, the residents and the non-residents. So you will notice that this is the bar. You will notice that initially for the first few years, the journeys by these are average journeys. So you can call them mean journeys. The journeys by the residents were much more than the journeys from non-residents. But they were steady. For the first 4 years, they were about steady. The journeys by the residents were not, there was not much fluctuation at around 10,000. And the journeys by the non-residents were increasing steadily from around 5,000 to 8,000. Then, after 1999, parking meters were bought in. Parking meters are where you park your car and you pay some money as tax, as toll. So, then the journeys by the residents into the city center fell sharply. And then you will notice that those by the non-residents became steady. And after that, Westgate Street and Park Lane were closed to traffic. So the journeys by both kind of people fell drastically, and you will notice that in the last year there was some increase. So let's go forward. It's a period spanning a decade from 1996 to 2005. First 4 years, residents had more journeys than non-residents. Number was more or less steady at around 10,000 for the residents. The number of non-resident journeys grew steadily from 5,000 to 8,000. So I have written the introduction. The given vertical bar chart, it's a singular, so the verb will have an S, illustrates and correlates data about the daily mean of the number of journeys. Daily mean, average of the full year, this is a daily average made by a city center. The comparison is between the journeys made by the local people and those who did not live in the city center, the residents and the non-residents. The study is about a period spanning a decade from 1996 to 2005. So after parking meters were introduced, journeys by residents fell sharply, almost halved, and for 3 years were steady at about 5,000, while those by non-residents were steady at between 7,000 to 8,000. This is not a complete task. You will have to do it yourself. I'm just giving you some pointers. After 202, traffic was banned from the Westgate Street and Park Lane, and number of journeys to the city center by both the residents and non-residents fell again for the next 2 years, and then rose in the final year to be at approximately 4,000 for the former and a few hundred more for the latter. The former are the residents and the latter are the non-residents. This is not a complete task. I haven't done it absolutely completely. You will have to do it yourself. You can send it by email, you can send it by WhatsApp, and you can comment on the task below. Thank you.